Here's Sterling. That's nice, Raheem Sterling. What a fantastic moment for the teenager. He's done it at Anfield before in FA Youth Cup matches, but now he's done it against one of the big guns of the Bundesliga. Perfect start for Liverpool in the final pre-season friendly, and a wonderful moment for the massively gifted Raheem Sterling.
Well, I think you can see what it means to him. It's a good little run there. We talk about getting in behind opposition, and that was a really positive run initially to try and get in behind Bayer Leverkusen's back four. He does that, he shows a little bit of strength there as well, he just muscles Schwab off. We see this often enough in the youth team and the reserves, coming in on his right foot, but on that occasion he's got the awareness and the calmness and the coolness to pick the spot in the far corner.